Hello everyone, I'm just going to explain how to fix this kind of error, which is wiper malfunction. Even the switch is off, it's still going on and off. That means we need to look for this switch. I would like to try to fix it, because when I'm doing this kind of things, it doesn't do anything and nothing at all happening. Then I would like to take out the back of this one to access to the switch, which is probably damaged, and we need to fix it, maybe soldering. Let's see how we could remove. If we remove this one, it looks like something inside broken. The connector is broken, and we need to solder it to get it done. Let's hope to solder this part, the attachment, then hopefully this will fix the problem. Hello guys, the soldering is already done, and you can easily see the attachment of this bracket is fixed, soldered, because it was broken. And hopefully I'm going to install and see is it going to work or not. Just I'm trying. Okay guys, I finished installing and just trying to check would this going to work or not, because I soldered this small piece, and because it was broken, the attachment was broken, and I fixed it by soldering. And if you can easily see, there is no warning error about malfunction of the wiper. And let's try to see, does it work or not. Hold on. Yeah, and this perfectly working and stopping when I'm switching it off. And first step, second one, third one, and medium one, step 2, step 1, and 0, and no any lights or warning on the dashboard. Rest of it we need to push it back, and because only be careful about removing this one, because sometimes you need to make sure you're accessing from this part to not to damage the brackets which is holding this button. Okay.